morning and Happy New Year! This is Jeannie with Jeannie Touch of Class Glam, and I've been gone for about 5 minutes or so, but I'm back now, and hopefully I will be able to film videos on a very ongoing basis. I'm hoping at least twice a week. So today I am here to talk about something called the Unisex Healthy Glow. I actually saw this on YouTube. Wayne Goss did a little tutorial on it, and it was magnificent. I absolutely loved it, and I thought, oh my gosh, I have to try this. I mean, it made his face look completely flawless. Just by putting this on, it gave him a super airbrush look. It was amazing, and I totally thought, oh my gosh, this is a great throw on during the summer if you're going somewhere during the day and you don't need to look fancy, or you can throw it on under your foundation. You can throw it on over your foundation. It all depends on what you're using and how all of your products work together. But anyhow, this comes in 1.3 ounces. Again, it's called the Unisex Healthy Glow. Right there. I don't know if you can see it, it's a very, very cool product. This does not contain sunscreen, so sunscreen is something that you use, which everybody should use it, but not everybody does use it. But I would definitely give this a try. Like I said, today is not a first impressions day. Today is just a day I'm going to show you how this wears, what I think of it. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to check back in later. I'm going to go to the gym and run some errands. I have to meet with a friend. And yeah, I'm going to let you know how this works. It's a all-year hydrating summer tint moisturizer. And it's really super cool. You put this on your hand. It comes out white. And then when you rub it in, let's see, I just got a camera set up. It totally starts to kind of tint, and it matches to your skin color, and it just gives it a flawless look. If you can see. Unbelievable, you guys. Unbelievable. This is a product I have never seen before. I don't know the technology behind it. There's no odor, which is awesome. Little to no odor. It's not completely odorless. Anyhow, I am going to go ahead and get into this in just a second. Again, this is 1.3 ounces. It is a cream. It can be used daily. It has no sunscreen. You can get this at Nordstrom's. You can get this at Sephora, and it retails for $40. So a little on the expensive side, but it is Charlotte Tilbury, and it does have some really cool technology. The first thing I'm going to do is I've already washed my face. I have not done anything else to my face, but I am going to prep it. I'm using the Pixie Skin Treats Hydrating Milky Mist, and I started using this a few days back, and it has hyaluronic acid in it, and it's so nice, you guys. It's so nice. I love it. The mist is just really fine. It's got a slight, very slight, soft, kind of a rosy smell to it. So I put that on before and after. I'm going to put on some of my SkinCeuticals Blemish and Age Defense. A couple of drops of that. Not getting real fancy today, so if you can see, I have got, I always say I'm kind of like the pink elephant on Misfit Island, because I have so many spots on my face, and it's really a bummer, but it is what it is. What are you going to do, right? So I cover those spots the best I can. I don't go out of my way, to be honest with you. I've been using different foundations, but it's not like I use a bunch of cover-up or anything like that. I really don't. Whatever it covers, it covers. I'm going in with my Obagi Exoderm Forte. So I just got this new lighting set up. I finally did it. That's when I thought, okay, I'm going to start recording again, because I haven't done anything. I had a lot of family stuff that kind of went on, and it was really, really difficult, and I was really stressed out and busy with work, and just really didn't have the time to do any of this. And what happens is, you know, the lighting, I realize for makeup vlogging really has to be specific so you guys can see what's really going on here. You know, it is about you being able to see what's going on. How does she look without makeup? How does she look after she applies the makeup? It's not about me. It's about what you think the products I talk about can do for you. You know, as we age, sorry, I'm like totally, as we age, our skin really changes. And to be honest with you, I've realized the last year, my skin has changed more than it's ever changed. And it's going through the change of life that completely makes everything different. So, you know, what I show you is what works for me. I don't know if it will work for you, but I'm hoping that it will work for you. I was given a sample of the Charlotte's Magic Cream, and I am considering going from the different products I use now to doing something that is less expensive. Right now I am using medical grade products because I've had such an issue with my skin for a number of years. You know what? That smells like roses. It smells really good. I'm going to put just a little more on of the Magic Cream. But anyhow, so I had to go to the dermatologist, and I was hooked up, so to speak, as to what to use for my issues. And it's worked beautifully. However, the eye concealer is well over $100, and at some point I have to think to myself, is this something I really can afford? Is this a doable thing for me? And look, if I can do something less expensive that works better, I would be more than happy to try it. Do you guys have any ideas for me? Let me know what you're using and what works for you down in the comments section. Also, I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. I would love to have a ton of subscribers and offer you guys and try things for you guys that you want to know about, you know. I'm able to do some, and so it's a lot of fun for me. It's kind of like a hobby. And again, 50 and over, 45 and over, things start to change. And, you know, you can go somewhere and somebody can tell you all about, you know, the people who sell the product. Oh, what it does. Okay, here, I'm going to go ahead and real quick, I'm going to put this cream that I'm talking about, the unisex cream, all over one side of my face. And I want to see what you guys think. So, problem areas. Cheeks, because they get really red. Got a lot of redness in through here, if you can see. And so as you rub this in, it becomes tinted. I don't know if you can see, but let's see. Well, it changes color. And then when you put it on your face, it's supposed to even out everything. So now I'm putting it all over. Got a little something happening over there now. Oh my goodness. It's amazing how our skin changes. Don't forget to get the insides of this portion of your eye, because there is a line of demarcation people get, and it can be very obvious. You want to make sure that that part stays light. You know, I think this has worked really, really well. It's not a foundation. It's not a full coverage foundation or anything like that. This is just a hydrating tinted moisturizer. I'm going to add just a little more. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on again. Oh my gosh. You know what? I love this stuff. This is unbelievable. Don't forget to get near your ears and under your neck, down your neck. Oh my gosh. You guys, no foundation. This is looking pretty darn good. Like I said, it is not full coverage, but boy, it's really nice. Like, it would be so nice to be able to like go to the gym and not have to do anything to your face for once. Oh my gosh, I'm so sick of having to like do my makeup before I go to the gym. Then later, if I have to go out, you know, make good use of what I put on and then go ahead and fix it up to go out. It's such a pain. It'd be so nice to just do something like this and then you could just like put your makeup over it after, because it's not like a full coverage, full on type of foundation. You don't have to worry about like almost like wasting it. But look at this. Can you see? Oh my gosh, look at this. It's just like a divot in my eye. I have no idea what that's from. But anyhow, I think this works really well. I am going to add some of the Color Science Total Eye Concealer. This is one of the things, I do like it, but I am wondering if it's causing me eye irritation. I feel like I've had a little bit of, well, I don't feel like, I know I've had some major issues with my eye. My right eye. I don't know what happened. I had like an infection and oh my gosh, eczema and blepharitis and all this stuff, and it was like nuts. But you know, it seems to me that some of the product with sunscreen in it, I'm a little bit sensitive to. Now, I'm not saying this isn't a good product. This Color Science is amazing. It definitely lightens under the eyes and brightens, which is what we want. I always use it on top. I keep it away from the rim of the eye because I am so afraid of getting like some type of reaction again. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the inner portion of my eye to lighten it up. So funny, I got a monitor too. I went ahead and I did the whole setup. It was really reasonable. And I'm really excited that I was able to do this because it just makes all the difference in the world. But, so, okay, the Color Science lightens up. It lightens up the inside. Again, I have to be a little careful, so I am a little bit cautious of going too close to the inner portion of the eye, the waterline, because I'm so afraid that I might actually get some type of eye issue again. And that just can't happen. So, okay, you guys, I am going to be signing off here. I've used the, again, the Charlotte Tilbury Unisex Healthy Glow. There it is. 1.3 ounces for $40. I really, really, really love this right now. I think this is like a really easy fix to just throw on. It feels so nice on my skin. I love it. I am going to throw on just a little bit of color as far as some blush, contour, not blush, but just something super, super quick before I run out the door. I will check back in with you later and we're going to see how this works for you. Or for me, so I can let you know. Anyhow, I hope you like what you saw. If you have any suggestions, good, bad, or otherwise, if you could nicely put them in the comments below, I would totally appreciate it. I will check back in later and let you know how this works for me. And so I hope you have a great day, and I will be seeing you later. Hi, it's Jeannie, and I'm back to do a check-in after I ran around today. So this morning was probably about 8 o'clock this morning when I went ahead and I first applied the Unisex Healthy Glow by Charlotte Tilbury. How can you see this? I have to see how you can see this best. Well, anyhow, this is what it looks like. And I went and applied that this morning because I just wanted to see what it would be like to do a super quick makeup before I went to the gym. And this is basically supposed to make you look really airbrushed. And so this is my feeling. I feel that this does a really nice job of, it almost looks like you're wearing a foundation, but you're not wearing a foundation. And so I really like this. I don't see any dry spots or areas where my texture's, you know, crazy obvious, or any areas of separation. I don't see anything like that. It basically, it's my skin with this Healthy Glow on. I really like it. I definitely recommend it. I think that, oh. Oh my goodness, it's so funny. Okay, so sorry, my monitor kind of went crazy and I had to like return it on because I turned it off by accident. But anyhow, I really like this Unisex Healthy Glow. I think it's really nice. It hasn't dried me out. It hasn't given me any areas to where I feel like I've broken out more. It's not a full coverage thing. It's basically just gives your skin a really nice texture. It makes it look kind of airbrushed. Now, I used it all by itself today. I still have areas that you can see don't look airbrushed, but I think all in all, it's really nice. It's really nice. I think it's super quick to throw on. I think it's not overly heavy. It's really light. It doesn't make your face feel dry. It doesn't cause any patchiness. I did not use any foundation today. Right over this, I went ahead and I put some contour, barely put any blush. I put a little mascara on and I was out the door to do my day today. So anyhow, I hope you like this video. I plan on doing some more reviews on some of Charlotte Tilbury's favorites. And I really like this Healthy Glow. I'll definitely be using it again. If you like what you're seeing, please hit the subscribe button and the bell so you can be notified when I do uploads and videos. Anyhow, so I appreciate you taking the time to watch. I hope you're having a great day. I have some exciting stuff I'm going to be bringing to my vlog. A friend of mine, she's a rep, and so I met with her today, and we're going to be bringing you some really fun, nice, what I feel is affordable makeup. Anyhow, so if you like what you're seeing and you want to see more, hit the subscribe button. I really appreciate the likes and the subscribes, because I would like to grow my channel, and I can only do that if I basically have you as my cheerleader. So please be my cheerleaders. Help me out here, okay? Have a great day, and I look forward to seeing you very soon, where I will be filming more about more products and makeups and skincare and so forth. If you have anything that you would like to see, please put it in the comment section below. I will be more than happy to try and figure out how I can make that happen for you. But have a great day, have a great week, and I will see you guys next weekend. Thank you. Mwah.